Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to see who is following you on Facebook. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to see who is following you on Facebook, first your Facebook account should be set in such a way that people should be able to follow you. So let me show you quickly how you can do that. So you can click on this three line at the top right corner, scroll down until you see setting and privacy, click on setting and privacy, click on setting, and once you're in setting, scroll down until you see privacy setting, click on privacy setting, and on privacy setting, scroll down and click on who can send you friend request, click on friends of friends. If it's on everyone, then switch it to friends of friends, then go back again, click on public post, and set this everything to public. Just copy these settings. I'm scrolling down slowly. So once you do that, then people will be able to follow you. And once you do that, go to your profile, and as you guys can see over here, it's shown followed by 2 people. And if you click on it, then you will know who is following you. So that's basically it. That's how you see who is following you on Facebook. Just transform your account into a Facebook account in which people can follow you. So when people try to see my account, then this is how they will view it. So basically, if they follow me, then I will see they're following me. So yeah, if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Peace out.